Hi guys, come spend my Sunday with me. So today, good morning, I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I think it's already 7 a.m. in the morning. My dad woke me up for church and my mom cooked this. Nagluluto niya kami ng healthy foods. Egg, tomato, banana. Anong tawag dun? Saba, talong. Yeah, that's all. Tas some kape. Kaso bawal ako kasi acidic ako. And white rice. Hi guys! So pupunta kami ngayon sa church. Sunday. Kain muna tayo. Egg and rice and kamatis. Wow! May ano? At saka talong. Ayun daw, yung pa daw. At saka sabang. Ay! Ano ito? Tandaan. Sabang.
Hindi yan tanda.
Ay!
Saba na
Saba pala. Ayan po yung plate natin ngayon. Healthy living lang. Kagabi nagbakto.
Pabuhin mo yan, di ba?
Magi-skincare naman tayo and mag-makeup. Sobrang kalat na po dito sa aking table. Malinis kasi, late na po. Ayun ang makeup pa rin.
Daming naman yung ano.
Si Marta nung oras na yun. Lazaro, lumabas. Dahil yung salita niya ay makapangyarihan. Pero kung hindi po sinabi ng Diyos niya,
Skies turned gray. You stood with us and chose to stay. Not lead with pride or fame, but serve in love in Jesus' name. You walked with us through joy and pain, through quiet loss and healing rain.
ginagawa sa atin. Isa na sa isang magulang na minamahal tayo.
Every time I'm feeling down, you pick me up.
Guys, nandito ako sa clinic ng aking dentist. Kasi magpapa-appoint na po ako for braces po. Waiting na lang ako para matawag ako right now. Medyo matagal yung waiting pero okay lang. Kasi mayroon pa kasing tao sa loob, baka ina-adjust pa siya. Ito nga pala yung outfit ko, pink lang, maganda. And yan, paganda siya ng paganda sa camera na para ba. And here is my teeth. Pangit, crooked eh. Tapos yan, ina-extrain na po yung ngipin ko.
Or cut the Jollibee today. We're gonna eat Sunday pa naman. Jollibee. Yes. Meron pa. Tsaka fries and... Uy, wala tayong Sunday. Fries lang. Wala Sunday eh. Fries tsaka burger, no? Fries and burger. Kulang pa.
2016, 2015, 3018, 3018. Please proceed to the front area.
That's all for today. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe.